And me who another video be me person can was but before you be start show no you start show na no you dey ginem you dey awom enkofo we omo wen sa nkofo Ghana pa Mensa and the battalions no omo wen for some reason boss man sorry person be kasa biom on share media on the atem just say why say wa mo asa no hwe ayira sa nkofo we omo wen sa these people omo wen Mensa and the colored boys and girls no. For some reason, no, I say chrono, it do some time and any people acquire akotete. Omotita, that's all Oma ba, no mabe Jimmy Omo no moko. I just say is here koso. Because at a point, no na be go for it TV so. Boss man asare the baby no didi Mahama tem, no didi NDC for tem, na okasi nyina ye Jimmy, ye catch and say, oh boss man, where the anya ni ye, munya ni ye kwa no odidi obi atem. From 2025, maintain a boss man akasa. Ade East one nyina madani mumu ana. Me bese me busa say East na electoral commission hono no. E say obi a mumu ana say obi a asra. Because we are not seeing you people talk. Because now they be a City FM. Now Omako boss man ho Adom-Otchere Akun Radio TV station City. Sa channel 1 Adom-Otchere Akun dia. Na Adom-Otchere Akun investment no. Na Omako boss man. Na boss man didi atem. Na odidi Ghana for atem, odidi Mahama atem, odidi NDC for atem. For some reason, me 1 year ni minti boss man interview biya. I say boss man beso be kasa biom. I say Mensa so beso be kasa biom. Say ni make up ason. Say ni nkuno ode sra no hona son. Say die ne draws atio. Just say I say obiya. Just say I just they are acting as if so many MPP in about power. And MPP free power no almost got 9 chain. I just say they were so active when the MPP were in power. Mensa ofa na soja ni dinechi ofa na soja ni bia de bag amano na soja ni etne dross na soja ni mane hanki apepa nanim na de ni kunu mi busa mu say enti sa nyoma nyina idea na esi asesi ano mu nyina we are not seeing these people again. What is going on? And how many MPP na bae enti MPP ko out or some so ko tenase din sa na Ghana na ye chechire na na. Because you can't tell me say the vocal EC, the vocal boss Nasari, the vocal Mensa, the people we were seeing every day. It is suddenly Papa Bakubino on your friend Srebo when we woo and also. I just sometimes ask these questions because I know say kai because short memory in the will be bree and until they be an kai hono and until I'm MPP for a Jimmy Omohono. These are all NPP surrogates. And all these people, for some reason, they are not talking again. They are quiet. They are not saying anything. They are not releasing press statements. Yeah, but see, we just say, "Is the whole course one I say gu." So you for na omo na omo bom ho ba na omo wen. Yeah, but see, we say, "Munyina ma yira makote ta na sa de en." So 2 minutes to me. Eye nyoma pa o. MPPEC. Sankofo between 2020 and 2024. Adebia nkofo we kire Ghana na me hu bi da. Mensa and the boss Asare. Now, I can get you interviews of boss Asare, press conferences, the body language, the insults. For some reason, a kufuwa the neba umia free power no. And yet boss Asare so free power. Mensa free power. But we thought the EC was an independent body, and they were speaking. They were speaking every day, granting interviews. For some reason, Aban say no, EC is no more an independent body. EC has become a very quiet body. What is going on? And then Asasa. And that means that EC, no, they were basically working for the NPP. Because again Asasa and the EC going to be briefie. EC cry yen tiobi anu asem yen mon grant interviews, more update here. Mo ma ye hu de e koso EC ho, mo ye new nkofo amode de omoka motia. Sa eye invoices ni ade na e ka ho asem procurement issues. Se sia mon break bibia down kire. Just here, Auditor General's report in your share EC from 2020 to 2024. From the Muye, the Mudi Musika, ye Persia Hunina, into your train. Obi Buzaze, where is Daddy Lumba TV? Catherine Afeku. Daddy Lumba TV, where is Daddy Lumba? Daddy Lumba, what is Ejako TV? What be Jimmy Penyo? Catherine Afeku. Original. So we want to bring the Ejako TV. Ejako Jimmy way. Ejako so can Ejapo and Winnie or the spinal cord not here. I got to baby. Oh no, I say Ejako. The spinal cord at here. Why is Akubi? Ejako no you say, I Montuma Kennedy, Montuma was a Quasiampini, Crasini. Ejako TV and not the Lumba TV. So it's Mr. Dotty Lumba here. Oh, rest in peace, Africa Michael Jackson. With you. Manuka Kotia. Make a cancer now with Dimbe, Africa Michael Jackson. With him. So, I Mr. A supporting artist for now, Moya, a Mr. Mo, Menka Bonnet, Bomb from Dimbe press conference in home. Now, Daddy Lumba TV and Ejako TV. Where's Daddy Lumba TV? Mr. Daddy Lumba. Is he here? Yes, Mr. Daddy Lumba is here. We are going to do Daddy Lumba TV. Now, Mujimi Muhu, sa 8 years near Shamo. Namo Paimoto. Ubianka Bibian Chemo. Now say, and there go a video be Omwa MPP for now. Can you Japan supporters so Kasa?
And then, yeah.
After declaring, who's a baby? We will, yes, Kasa. No, and you want to me saying I'm taking your mama and then comfort you. We won't talk. But the fire is underground. I'm telling you, nobody is coming down. If there may be a caution, nobody is coming down. And me, mind it. Catch your tear for you. Me on our chief say nobody is coming down because we conform your for them. We want them to know say, oh, they are nobody to us, and they are no. They say, oh, no, they are so party. We want them to go to the man to apologize to him. When they stood and made that statement, they should go there again and talk for everybody to listen. We are not going to forgive them. What do we catch up? We say, be an agent. And someone here could tell you, you can cover about Yannis and me. I swear to God. Yeah, penny or 2 years for any kind of tuning. Yeah, penny or 2 years for. But Okasa will go to Mr. Okacho and say, and he's a Gaukalisa. Now, a way about me, let me traffic. Now, a boy, Diatem,
a quartet,
only a month of signal man won't cry. Say, me see. Only a boy, I'm on them.
But a quartet, what about Bronya, the quartet?
Coca be, I'm from Coca be.
Coca, some Coca, they are no Ashanti region, and
oh,
okay.
Yes, not the Ashanti, the moment being in the Titan time, if someone can say, Ashanti region, we will forever receive him, and he will see business. There may be a Bonya Bayer or Joshua, the Tiano Koye Dean Quatramama Part in Chawa,
but honorable Chief Nkrumah, answer. We cannot give you a platform. No, Honorable Nkrumah, I am in charge here. No, we can't give you the platform to use it to incite violence. So when they cook no, I want to call people, and now some of us Ashanti regional, and you have that platform to use it to incite violence.
I'm not inciting people against him. If anyone wants to go to him, the person has taken the decision already. It's not me. But I'm saying Christianity are many more problem. There may be a young one yet, I will just show by election now can I to contrast him. That is what I'm saying. Oh my me west. Me oh my honorable chief me west. Don't can say honorable chief me so my west. And I will do that. Okay, oh my me west. I will do that. When my family is here, me honorable chief. One who said me time be about mafia. Every other mention.
Obi the message Abraham say Coca no Juma or Movement TV.
And then I see. Make sure say oh Masina mention that.
Honorable you say Ochikuka obobu also bobu ntuku in this year no Coca no omnyo mekunu ato atwene MPP na ekasa no omkasa ombebo omekunu no enti we enye long osikere Japan the supporters no Saba omi adwene say bibi adwojo a hit ni wo form ayese ball asuja omo so omo nyimi yo ba omi awe de nka membo ba me wonti kasa ni yenti na mi chirechire mu no de omo ka nyina ne say ba omi supporters Canada Japan supporters ne ka kire mo say mo na mo ka kire Canada Japan say na adwene ye bie so o ye jimifo wo de abronye ene sa nkwase aforo mo hu fi no ene ye se adwuma abo ayi ba omi a o say mama me ma mo nte say na nka ombe so mo kan sam kira nka sam nka ombe ka kire won nka wo yere kra ne nda biem asantini na kasa no ba ye bia wanti timitim aye kere Japan supporter say wo ba omia ensam a wo ka kire nkora no mo be di kere di atem kere Japan atem e ma kere Japan ono kora na e ka kire mo se mo omundi atem no o say Senka Kennedy mo chance anka Simon beka kyerɛ no ka wo yere ba omia anka wo yere no ɔworo no ho da okran kan ne nda senka ubehu ba omia te se dansen se Kennedy na ebrebre ase ɛna wo yere beifo ba Samira no anka na asɛm na anka bie Samira asɛm so a anka hu Samira anka betu ntosuo guso atwam enti ka kyerɛ wo kyirifo no wo kyiridifo no ba omia. They are sending a message to your piglets. Those guys who were insulting Kennedy Japan every single day, every morning, afternoon, evening. Emma Omubodin. Say, Oma target be Mombekumbi. MP because Omebua just Ombekuno no. Oma target be Ombebu Mokuomo. Into Omo catch over Omia. Won't call any be there. Momon can honomon ho and win power. San Korana Oka Secretary Japan. Wabodam. Omukodi Kennedy atem, you Baumia, you were behind it. You Mahmoud Baumia, you were behind it. All the things that they were saying, the young girls akosha menimu, kofio fosun cancer, abronye, enkwasi form hufia, you and your wife, you were behind it. You were resourcing these people. You were giving them money. You were telling them to do it because you wanted power. Enti kumasi fono mudi Kennedy Japan ichino, omuyam beman say, Memfa enchechire munchira wo se senkenya Kennedy ne bo omanoa na nkan sema nko beka fa samre ho no wo yire chadi ni no sa wo yire beifo no anka sema nko beka no anka na dwunka hu na nko betu ntosuo gusu no wabo atra anka enna kra ne na biem na omse Kennedy ne so omano akomprako ne epe ene so omano enti na ensema nka wo so ka kire wo ka kire samre ene de waye ene nyoma bi a waye wo underground enim guasam eje nyoma etan asebio krama kramu a ontafre no omse nkomo beka na Kennedy ne so ma no me obi antumi so ma no Kennedy fo de be so ma no na me akobedu obi ani wo betuma so ma no meka enti Mahmoud Baumia party no Kennedy fo no se yanka nkire wo se eja no ede wo fom ayese baller suja wo de sika na mo wiye ni nyina mo fanyi che ma wontumi de omse no problem wo wiya no be wini power. Because Kennedy no, omu huni so bodamfo. Omu Kennedy say oyekwasi ampenyi. Omu Kennedy say onim nyansa. Omu da ho trust Kennedy. Omu da ho ji Kennedy di. Omu da ho bu Kennedy. Inti sa untwamwa no mu di wechi no. So mo nsue nyansa anti ase say without Kennedy you can never be president and they na would know. Kennedy supporters and omu ka kira no no. Omu say without Kennedy Japan you can never be president in Ghana. Ana obebeti agronie entokwanie de na ope. Kennedy nkofo na de asoma me dem yesomafo agronie intokwanie Mahmoud Baumia can never be president without Kennedy Japan. So Kennedy anjan tumi so betumi the president utumi the president da and no na omo ka kire intejane de e wo form broni besia smoldering fire sa eja no ehye eye de bola suja ehye form ho na edidi basoro inti asere de ede inti sa woti ufie ona senkwasiafo bi ba na ochechecheche omu nsem a omu na ombedi wechi na omu angasa de eye battalions no omu form na omu suma se yenka nkire wo nkwara no sa atene no omu di Kennedy no omu remfie medium yesumafo na midwudwom ama Ghanafo a omu nhada ntia asante kasa no ate ase an end of announcement momenko enim abo eye 9:26 in Ghana obia ya alert Kevin Taylor ba da ko hwede yen uni bibia hwe me wo numbers change GTV me ye Africa CNN me ye Ghana BBC CNN Al Jazeera I control the Americano and then running ubetima dede but dancing but we control the news here because and ye kind of kreno no jandam no ehunahuna no atro no minimum we nye tribalism we nye me asantini me awonani me yankrani we ye facts no bare facts we nye bebia me free we nye me krom we nye kurase we nye on adeba ko etane say inkurase for no mo TV so radio so no e na me de ewume kurase e na kurase we na me nyini ye emfa me ho ne kurase a wunyini ye una ye kurase ne wo problem me man ya wume kurase enti you need to understand say this is what we do. If today is your first time on this planet, my name is Kevin Taylor. This is my job. This is my full-time job. This is what I do for a living. When I file my taxes, I file loud silence media. So when you see me sit here for hours, this is my job. I'm not lazy. I work every single day. If I'm your boss, you are going to struggle because every day I come to the office. So I'm your boss, you are going to struggle because I work every day. That is what consistency means. Intimate Jumani. Maybe today is your first time seeing my face. If you're watching me from Europe, America, Asia, my name is Kevin Taylor. I'm the CEO of Loud Silence Media. This is my full-time job. This is what I do for a living. All my properties I've been able to acquire is through this. That is what I do. And I'm not ashamed of the gospel like Paul. But the Paul in Ghana at Metro TV will die soon. God will kill him because he's a liar. Now, say me to Paul, Edidi Kwame Nkrumah tem. Now, Ghana for any time to listen to Paul Adom-Otchere. Paul Adom-Otchere, he can make his own history up. Paul Adom-Otchere, Wayario or Hunhunu inside. Paul Adom-Otchere can create his own history. Paul Adom-Otchere is such a dirty guy sitting on TV insulting Nkrumah. Kofi Bento, such an aimless guy sitting on social media insulting Nkrumah. And I see those co-minini dirty riffraffs. All because they want to force Kotoka to be a hero. Who the hell is Kotoka? It does not matter how you people try to tweak the history. Kotoka, his name will be taken off the airport. It's a fact. Then Yenjimi ya to me wasted time on somebody like Paul Adom-Otchere. For Paul Adom-Otchere to speak ill of Kwame Nkrumah. And Jimmy, who will give airtime to Paul Adom-Otchere to speak against Kwame Nkrumah? There are other nations who followed Ghana's history. There are other professors, historians who followed Ghana's history, nitty-gritty Ghana history. They have read every single book about Nkrumah, what Nkrumah wrote himself, and what people wrote about him. Who the hell and who is this filthy Paul Adom-Otchere to sit on Joy News to come and tell Ghana for his version of the history? No, Paul Adom-Otchere, kwasi ampenyi okoboro ka free Togba Fedi hokura no otumi appreciate Togba Fedi. Paul Adom-Otchere, Togba Fedi gave him money to go do his wedding. Emma and car, Kwasia, Obetana TV so ADD Togba Fedi attempt. This is a guy who is ungrateful to his own dick. He doesn't know whether he's sleeping with a woman or he sleeps with men. He does not even know where he belongs. A dirty riffraff who is a liar. And Ghana media will give Paul Adom-Otchere, such a shrinking old bastard like this. She the age ni she the why. Unas with the 80. Kwame Nkrumah do Paul Adom-Otchere age. Now or young. She Paul Adom-Otchere. Paul Adom-Otchere on do baby out here the why. What's a bakokura? And we entertain this foolish political insects on our radio. Right now, he's a full-time MPP communicator. You people are supposed to address him like that. Only BBI, nobody's watching his show. His show is dead. People have now seen Paul Adom-Otchere, who he is. He's a sycophant, a liar. What does he do? So I do Metro TV. Is it for him? The show is not for him. He's jobless. All that he does is he does nothing. These are people we are not supposed to give any attention to or pay attention to. Every single individual in Ghana who appreciates JB Dankwa is a criminal. That person can never be respected in Ghana. JB Dankwa, MPP4, today the likes of Paul Adom-Otchere and Kofi Bento Dems, these foolish political insects are adoring. This is a guy who was a flag bearer of a political party and also working for a foreign security agency. Are you insane for a whole party to be built around JB Dankwa? CIA files, which were released by the United States, actually said JB Dankwa was working. JB Dankwa is a snitch. That guy is somebody. When a political party rallies around somebody like that, you have to understand every single person in that party is a disease. You rally around JB Dankwa, who was a presidential candidate for a particular party and working for another country's security agency, and you tell me that JB Dankwa is somebody who has principles for me or for people who are reasonable to follow. Well, Jimmy, now JB Dankwa in history when you free prison or call U.S. Embassy in Ghana to go ask for his salary. It's on record. And a fool like that, and we have people in Ghana saying Dankwa Institute, such a treasonous character, a petty thief, a criminal who snitches on his own country. These are facts. I'm not making it up. Inti, I then will be better TV to say, my school, my kenkai, and you know what? I support JB Dankwa, and that person wants to run down Kwame Nkrumah. Yeah, Jimmy, and we give ears to such idiots. Media na full. because you don't have enough intelligent people coming on TV and radio to speak. So any fool can just come and try and run down Kwame Nkrumah. Now Kwame Nkrumah Puma ne kutano no. It is valuable that Paul Adom-Otchere's whole life. Kwame Nkrumah Puma. If we sell Kwame Nkrumah's Puma walking stick, it will cost more than Paul Adom-Otchere's life. The life, how much is worth? And we sit in Ghana, we allow the likes of Kofi Bentil, Paul Adom-Otchere, some foolish Dankwa Institute, ingrate, political insects, criminal entities, these foolish tribal bigots, disease and unrespectable, diagnostic, demonic, Fabian, ragamuffin, shabarangs, dirty ass niggas sit on TV to try and denigrate Nkrumah. This dirty, filthy ass niggas. Such niggas. Me say, Obia Odi JB Dankwechi, Eheli JB Dankwa Jimmy 4. So when you hear people who hail JB Dankwa, who are part of this party called JB Dankwa Buzia Diendia, Sani Panwe Jimmy, that person can never have reasonable discussion on Ghana's history. No, because already they have been tainted. They are seen as ignorant people. They were supporting a criminal, a treasonous character, a filthy disease, an ex-convict, a criminal who went to the U.S. embassy to ask for his salary when he was a party flag bearer, JB Dankwa, a crackhead, a smoking fool. Then we sit here, near man called for crying. Say, these people, because media are full. Go outside Ghana and see people who have studied, followed, read Ghana politics from day one, and followed Nkrumah, wrote his biography, understand democracy, understand governance, and go and look and read what they have written about Nkrumah. A Jimmy 4, because of your mediocre, foolish, tribal, stupid sentiments, you idiots can come and sit on your bumbo-clad, dirty-ass nigger platforms and talk nonsense about Nkrumah. We are not supposed to give relevance to these idiots. They just want to be relevant because we don't give a heck about them. We don't care. You people can say whatever you want to say. Kotoka is a fool. His name is not supposed to be on the airport. Finito. Kotoka's name, yen to be from to Kramai. Kramai crying to be from Tono. Kotoka, whether he played a major role, he was behind the scenes playing a role. Kotoka, from history, he went to a general's house, a military general's house, telling the military general to follow him to war. The military general told him the premises of the war did not make sense. Kotoka pulled a gun, shot the man in front of his wife and his kids. Such dirty animal, a foolish fool like that, a riffraff, then we sit here and say we are going to denigrate Nkrumah because of a dirty Kotoka. Kotoka di yemfantum prekobuoso. Kotoka di dino yemfanto imprekodine yemfanto so. So whether you people like it or not, Nkrumah has already made his name. You ingrates, you riffraffs, you political insects, you cannot change what Nkrumah has built. And what Nkrumah has built cuts across nations. It cuts across continents. It cuts across the universe. You idiots, it does not change anything. We will change Kotoka's name, the airport. We will change the airport, the name of the airport. Kwasiafo, mona nanom eba na komesi Japadi anka nenka mo premier de omudi atoso. Obi mbra mesi na inwan te samo. Dirty riffraffs like you will come and sit on TV and try to denigrate Nkrumah. Foolish people, dirty ass niggas. Momi anko enim. Omodwa Kevin Taylor di odidi atemo me mo Jimmy na me yamusa. Team, what is this? My team said I should read this for you to hear. Kotoka is a traitor, a dirty fool. Kotoka aponche kradi aponche buo kra for the din to so. Ye be yini din afri so. We will call it Accra International Airport. The onpenonko kunu ho kwasiafo. Nkrumah has already made his name around the world. Go, baby Abekobia Kwame Nkrumah is there. Now who in politics share Nkrumah? Oh fui. Obetanaka say Nkrumah was a dictator. Kwasiafo dan kontwema munjimi mo ho. Mo ye lucky kura nko so hye nyina amase. Kwasiafo mo te Ghana Jimmy Samon kwa. Mo ne masefo ne mo nananom. Yenja Ghana na mo fa mo kron no nse Ghana. Mu JB dan kwa kronfo no. oko jail nyina ba na opedien ope salary obebusa America for US embassy, the new ambassador. The new ambassador said, "Oh, when I was in jail, you did not send my salary? Are you people not ashamed to be affiliated to such a dirty riffraff in fui?" Mamen kan ko to ka kwasi ampe na asem kakra nkyere mo. Ye njamu hwe na ye jamu adwuma ni ye jamu. Ye njamu ne nkodi de ye mu ye adwuma ni an ye ni bebi akọ. Ye bedwudwom akọ say Yesu beba. Ye wo time ye will be rough. Ye nyabu tres our time. Team, they come in. I'm waiting for the Kotoka story. Na min dwudwom. Kwasi afọ mo je se de bechemo. An iti ba fo Kotoka kromfo na yete Ghana na asay ntira. Ghana na asay. Na yede na Adom-Otchere. Kwasi ampe yikodi ne yire a. Ne yire hu se Adom-Otchere ne hu ni ho. Uja Adom-Otchere. Omuti TV so say we have not divorced. Na kwasi ampe yi we na yete Ghana obeka kwa Nkrumah asem. All because kwasi ara kwatie brofo bi na all kind of TV so and you know. Ejimi for and you know what? If Nkrumah was a dictator, we still like him. If Nkrumah was a bad man, we still like him. What about you, your fathers? Mo papa no ma kromfo. JB Dankwa was a thief. JB Dankwa, he was a thief. Otchere na nanom se ne enum wi. JB Dankwa was a drug addict. Kwasi afọ mo ejimi for yasoso bo so saa. Team, I'm trying to get the Kotoka piece you just sent me. Yeah. Can you I have it on system. I can't pull it out. Ejimi4. You have a kind of natural. I'm with Jimmy for the Ghana. I'm on person Mensa document. Because I've seen it. I'm trying to pull it out from the system. Guys, work on it for me, please. Yeah. And guys, I didn't mean to be pull it. Me power. Me person me read the other check Ghana for who kwasi for any omudili or Ghana ho. Jimmy for what it's Ghana. And I'm also some kwasi asam so Kotoka. Me see the little in prekobuom krampa ye fanya she. You people can go to hell. Nobody cares. We will change the name of the airport. We will change it. We are changing it. All right, team, let's move forward. When I'm not seeing it, when it gets in, I will talk about it. Now, at the end of the day, I can entwaso na yenjum. Koduka de se be kan asem. Koduka kromfo. At the end to me by me yapa. I really want to get this thing and then show it to you. Team, I don't know. I can't pull it. I don't know. All right, I'm saying I should go ahead and do the show. They'll pull it. So, this is a year La General Hospital. La General Hospital, near Ghana, and MPP bar power. Work resumes at La General Hospital after 8-month halt. Now, a year La General Hospital, no, and a survey a year in Nkrumah Bibri, Ghana. Na me no ka say eye MPP aban eba power no na nkofo ni Kotoka picture send me mbofu. All these things shede eba no.
The MPP cannot be underestimated.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahen, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,